Well, crap. It snowed and my panels are covered. What am I to do? I don't want to get up there and clean them. Maybe I can come up with another way. Well, I'm not getting much from the panels. Actually, I reversed this meter. I was getting about 5 watts, 5.5 watts, which wasn't bad. You can see already this morning I collected 5 watt hours, and that's you know, for about 2 hours of sun. But I got this idea. I can flip this switch down, and then the panels go up to their open circuit voltage. You can see it's 67.6 volts about. And here's what I've done. I got this transformer, and it goes into this little bridge rectifier, and these wires connect up to the capacitor bank. And so I'll charge up the capacitors, and actually current will flow back to the solar panels. I got this little variac down here, and you know, there's the transformer for isolation. But let's see what happens. So it's at 67 volts right now. We'll turn up the variac. As you can see, the voltage is starting to climb. There's no current yet. Oh, there we go. So we're at about 120 watts, 1.5 amps. Maybe we can get a little bit higher and see that the voltage is 77 volts, 78. So that's when your panels start to conduct. So so much for these blocking diodes. What a bunch of crap. So let's go back up and look and see what the panels are doing. I turned it back a little higher, up to about 3 amps. Don't want to wait too long. This is plenty safe. Been a few minutes, nothing's happening yet. Well, had to stop it. Wire came off, and actually the rectifier got really hot. That rectifier just really couldn't handle the current, so we're stopping the test. So I guess that's a fail. The rectifier shorted out, and I thought because the basement was really cold it would survive about 3 amps, but it didn't. Bigger heat sink next time. Maybe we'll try it again.